Hey guys, I wanted to go through this Vimify program really quick so we can divide and conquer this new coach training. There's only 21 days of the training, so it should be really easy if we all kind of take a piece of it or a day of it. So it will be very simple because all you're doing is copying and pasting and perhaps creating a video for a specific day. So what you'll need to do is log into your Vimify account, the one that you already have, the one that you're accessing New Coach Action Academy on. This is the program that Liz and Jess have launched and have created. And so you need to be able to get into there to copy the information into our own. And you can add some flair to it. Feel free to get creative with it, but we want the bones to be the bones. So they're started on May 13th. So I went back to this date up here and I can see their day one. I have added, okay, so before I go there, so then you're in your personal account. Then you need to open another screen of Vimify and you need to like log in. So if it opens up the account that you're already in, you need to log out of that account and log in with the following information. Log in with newcoachuni@gmail.com. Password is newcoach with a capital N, newcoach, exclamation point 23. So it looks like newcoach123, but with a capital N and an exclamation point for the 1. And I can write that down. But you'll log in there. And it will, you can go to the Discover page, okay? So log in and click on Discover. And here is the group. It should pop up right here, and we can edit this by clicking the little edit pen. Do not click on pick a start date yet. It will kick off the program, so don't do that yet. We want to preview the program. Okay, so you can see here that I've added 21 days. In all of those 21 days, the tasks to work out, drink your shake, do PD, and post to Instagram and Facebook, they're all already programmed in there. I've done that. So that's all in there. I've also done day 1 and 2, many of the lessons. So I would say starting with like day 4 probably is where we should start to divide and conquer. But what you want to do is, if I'm on day 4 here, I'm going to go to day 4, 2, 3, 4 in their program, and I'm going to see what they have. Okay, these are all the things that will stay the same. Post to IG, post value on Facebook, drink shake, listen to PD. That's all the same. So they have one lesson here that is not yet planned. And this is the keep it simple. So we're going to click on that. And I see she has a video. So that's either going to be something that you recreate, or if it's a Beachbody video, if it's something that you feel like is strong enough to pass on and use in our training, we can use that. But all you would do is copy this information. They have, let me back up a little bit. There are different types of tasks you can put in. So I'm going to add a task. The task title is keep it simple, all things you need to know. So it would say lesson, keep it simple, all the things you need to know. Okay. And then I'll say next. And this is where you decide what type of task it is. Do you want to simply have them check something off? Do you want them to create a multiple choice option? And what they're doing on these are posting open-ended input questions. So I click on the open-ended input, and then the question is post your biggest takeaway to implement today for this particular task, this page. So I could just copy that. I can decide how many points I want it to be worth. I've been saying 10 for all of these, but you can get creative. If people do it that day, they get bonus points. And then you say next. Okay, so the title of the task is there. Subtitle, you don't need one. There's not one here on this particular document. You don't need to put a duration. The type of task is open-ended, so they need to put something there. Oh, I thought something to stop recording. Scheduled on day 4. You don't need a reminder. You don't need any of this. So basically, you just want to make sure that title is there and subtitle. Now, where does the meat of the post go? In here. So this is where you add your resource, and you would post your video in there, or you would post your text like this. And text. It's not the title or subtitle. All right. If I want to put my title up here, all the things, and you just click and edit all the things. And you can add your subtitle if you want to. So you can get creative here, but you want your topic to be your topic. Here, you can put a link to a video. So if you have created a video and recorded it, upload it to YouTube, and YouTube will give you the link. And it's as simple as posting the link right here, and the video will pop up. So I'm going to pretend to do it this way. If we want to keep the video, I would click on share, copy that, copy, paste it there, done, and there it is. Okay, but we want to edit this one. We might not want just in all of our videos, so we want to keep it personalized. And then you can just click back, and you can say done, and then you will see it's down the bottom, but you can drag it up to the top because we want our lessons to be at the top, and then our checklist items to be below it. So day 4 is posted, so if we want to edit it, but that's how you do it. You click on the day, you click on add task, decide what type of task it is, and then copy and paste into the resources. So if you have any questions about that, let me know. I left these guides up here for every day for people to reference, the compensation plan and a product price list. So those are kind of daily references. So it's as simple as that, guys. Once you get the hang of it, it gets pretty easy. If I didn't do anything you want me to do, let me know, and I'll create a Google document for the days, which days you're in charge of. So, and if you need to swap around or anything as you get deeper, just let us know. But dividing and conquering is the way to go, I think. So if you want a second recap here, let's see, click on day 5. I'll close out of that one. I'm going to go to day 5 on their program. The lesson is inviting and sharing. Everything else, invite to your challenge group. Okay, so they're adding a daily one here, so I can add that in. I'll do that. But the lessons are what we want to divide and conquer. So I click on lesson. There's a video there about the PB&J invites. And so you can copy and paste this. So day 5, add a task. The task title is lesson inviting and sharing. You want it to be, what kind did they have it as? They had it as an open-ended. Their invitation is, or their question is to pick the type of invite you want to try and send out 5 PB&Js or 15 party style. So obviously it would be worth talking about that in the video. That's our task. The resource down here is where you add the meat. So you can copy this. And I'm doing this one so you guys won't need to. Oops, wrong button. Don't do that. Add text. Post it there. Done. Add your title. Copy it. Paste. All right. And then obviously you post in your video. So I'm going to save this here. You can do this one if you want. It's a little bit long. It's 40 minutes. So we might want to shave that down and give you a best recap of PB&J invite versus mass party invite style. So I will leave that blank. And then you can just save back. And it's saved. So done. I'm going to move this up to the top. I hope. There we go. So we've got our task there. They have to write something. They have to check off workout, check off their shake. And I'm going to add a task here of invite to your challenge group. And this is now going to be a checklist because they're going to start inviting here from day 5 on. So I'm going to delete that task from these days and they'll start inviting on day 5. Anyway, I'm just kind of going through now as a recap, but hope that helps. And remember, don't pick a start date yet. We'll do that when it's all completed. And that's that. So thanks, guys. I'll set up the Google Doc.